Check out this 2006 Ford Super Duty F-350. Carfax has certified this Super Duty F-350 as having one owner. This Super Duty F-350 has just under 143,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This Super Duty F-350 boasts a 6.0-liter turbo engine and has an automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, AM/FM stereo, tow package, driver airbag and parking sensors. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.